soon as you walk in, you feel it. The volume, the light, the presence. This stunning two-story grand foyer just sets the tone for everything else that you were about to see. Look at this space. Dramatic ceiling heights, oversized windows, and a fireplace that anchors the room perfectly, whether you're entertaining or just relaxing. This kitchen, chef's dream. Family centered here in this beautiful well-lit area that has many counter spaces for prepping your food. And you've got everything you need to host your family gatherings in style. Now let me show you the formal dining room, which is quite spacious, well lit, and has this beautiful custom painted tray ceiling, which stands out. Now let me show you this custom built library, which is spacious, has beautiful wood shelving, a nice window seat, and lots of light. The primary suite is its own sanctuary, oversized, bright, with a spa-inspired bath and dual walk-ins. This is where you unwind after running the world. And how about this basement? Among its many features are a gaming area, a pool table, a full bathroom, a wet bar, and plenty of space for your entertainment or for that of your guests. And for more information, you can reach me on my cell phone at 908-377-7700, or you can email me at bill@billflagg.com.